Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how can I schedule my posts. So right now we are inside the post groups feature. In order to schedule your posts, you basically have two main options, either using the post groups feature over here or the calendar feature over here. In order to use the calendar feature, you can either click on this button plus post or on this button create a new post. Then you have to select the social media profiles you want this post to go to, add an image over here, add your caption over here, and then activate this toggle over here, schedule. And by clicking over here, you have to select the date that you want this post to go to and the hour from over here. And then simply click on this button, schedule. Now we can see our scheduled post over here. But let's go back to post groups. So now we have to click over here to create new post. Then we can see save to group. Let's add an image. Let's add our caption. And then we can change the post group if we want to. And the status as draft or as approved. And let's click on save. But in order to actually set the publishing time for a particular post group, you actually have to go over here on this button, schedule. By clicking on this button, you can select the days that you want the post inside this post group to go to, or deselect them, and select the time from over here. Let's click on add time, like so, and then click on save. We always have an overview over here on what days, at what hours, and on what social media profiles are the posts inside this post group going to be sent to. So let's go on this one. Over here we can see that we don't have any dates or any social media profiles. So this post can go anywhere because I don't know when to go, when to be sent to, and where to be sent to. So we have to click over here to schedule. Let's select some days, like so, and add a time, like so, and then click on save. We are going to be able to see the preview over here on what days and at what hour those social media posts are going to be sent to only after we also add a social media profile for this particular post group. Until next time.